teacher T-Rex. So today I'll be carving a pumpkin.削ったり彫ったりすることは carving. What you'll need is a pumpkin seed scooper, a knife for cutting a pumpkin, and a pen. First, I'm gonna cut the top. I gotta cut in. So now I'm gonna be making one round here. Now I'm almost done the full round. So I'm gonna almost finish the circle. Now I'm almost done cutting it. So I'm going to lift it up and then I open the pumpkin. Now I'm going to be getting the guts of the pumpkin into here. First I'm using my hand, then I'll also use this. Now I'm gonna be getting more guts with this. I got this many guts from the pumpkin. And now I think I'll be finishing taking all of the guts. Now I'll be drawing the face of the jack-o'-lantern onto here. Now I'll be cutting the face out. First, the eyes. Now I'm almost gonna be done with the mouth too. Now I'm gonna push the mouth out in 3, 2, 1. I got the mouth out. I'm done making a jack-o'-lantern. On Halloween, when it's nighttime, you put a candle into here and light it up. Happy Halloween! チャンネル登録よろしくね。またね。バイバイ。